Hey yarn friends, welcome back to Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. Today is Vlogmas Day 2, and so if you didn't watch Day 1, I am unbagging a ball of yarn each day and adding it into a scrap blanket. I did a swap with Terry at Yarn Joy Podcast. I sent her a package, she sent me a package, and we're both opening our baggies of yarn each day and adding them into a blanket. So be sure to check out Terry's channel also so you can see the progress of her blanket. So yesterday I opened a peach ball, and I had decided that I was going to go ahead and make my center strip because I wanted it to be a solid color and then add the color that Terry sent me around that. And that peach looks beautiful with that purple. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it there. I love that peach next to that purple. It just looks beautiful. And so I have my little Christmas tree stitch marker there. It's holding that stitch because I need to tie in the next ball of yarn. And see, it almost went around 3 rounds around my centerpiece. So my ball that I opened today, I'll just join it here and then connect it here and then keep going around. So anyway, we'll go ahead and open my baggie for Day 2 to see what we got today. What color? I guess I'll just tear in the bag to open it. Oh, it's a purple. So, and it's a different shade of purple, but that will be pretty. Because I really did like that purple next to that peach. And so this is a different shade of purple. This is more of a muted purple blue. And then this one Terry sent me is a beautiful, and it's a shiny purple. I don't know what brand the yarn that is, but it's beautiful. So I'm going to just, I'll just show you what I'm going to do here. The thing I like about granny square blankets, when you tie a yarn in, knot a yarn in, if you have a little knot there, this blanket is great about hiding those knots. So I don't feel like I have to, you know, weave in the end or make it like an invisible join or anything like that. I've just found that I just tie that yarn in. Let's see. And snip it. And really and truly, this type of blanket just hides that in so well. So I'll probably just keep going. I mean, I am. I'm just going to keep going around and see how that adds in. I can't wait. I love adding the color into this every day. So, and this looks like a good bit of purple. So it may go around, excuse me, it may go around about 2 or 3 times maybe. So we'll see. All right, now, also besides doing this blanket, I'm also doing another rectangle blanket in the Christmas theme. And so this is what I've done on it so far. And I'm not adding a color a day on this. I'm just working on it as I watch, you know, movie at night. I'm just adding on to this. And I have never thought of pink as being a Christmas color. But there's a granny square blanket by Annie's Crochet. And she has pink in there. And it looks beautiful. But I never would have thought to add pink to a Christmas blanket or even Christmas colors. So I added that pink, and that looks really good on there. And then I had this skein of ice blue laying there, and so that just looks wintry to me. So I decided to add a round of that. So this blanket, I'm not, like I said, I'm not adding like a color a day. I'm just going several rounds of whatever. And right now I've went all the way around in my colors. Later on, it might start to look more scrappy because I might go, like a round and a half of a color and then change to another color. It just depends. We'll just see how it plays out. So anyway, I kind of wanted to work on a Christmas blanket this month. Not that it would be done, all the way this month probably. For this December, I'm saying. But I'll have it for next December. And I got a cough there. Oh no. Jody and I went to town today, and let me just say, it was rough on both of us. Jody hasn't grocery shopped in years. He might have ran in the small Walmart in the town he lives in, which is a little Walmart. He might run in there to get something, but he hasn't actually grocery shopped in several years now. And with the boys grown and, working and doing their own thing, I have to have someone to go and help me. Last time I went, I paid the neighbor girl up the road. She was on the next road over. I paid her to go grocery shopping with me and help me. But Jody said he was going to take me and would do it. So we left out today and went and had lunch. And then we went to Dollar Tree. And then we went to Walmart. And it was rough on both of us. And he was struggling. He does have bad knees. And his back was hurting him really bad last night. So we barely made it out of that store alive. And then once we got home, we had to get all those groceries in the house. And like I said, he has 2 bad knees. And so he said, there's no way I can go up and down those steps. So he just brought them to the door and set them inside the door. And I would get them and take them on into the kitchen. And then we both kind of put them up. He put up more groceries than I did, but we both worked on putting them up. When we got home from grocery shopping, we pulled up and he turned the truck off. And I said, well, did you have fun? He said, if that was a date, I don't ever want to go on a date with you again. So I don't know how we're going to handle this grocery shopping on our own thing and then getting the groceries in the house on our own. So I did have Phoebe this advent calendar, and I haven't opened it yet. She was a little bit sick yesterday morning, and so I didn't want to give her a treat just yet. And then I decided that I would just give her one more day to let her stomach settle a little better. And then, so I'll probably give her a treat. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I'll probably open this and give her a treat tomorrow. But someone had asked me where I got this. These are made in the USA. I got it at PetSmart. It's Merry & Bright Collection. Deck the Howls with biscuits. With biscuits. The ultimate 25-day advent calendar for dogs. Now, they did have some that said treats. They had one that said cookies. I think that's all. They did have a cat one that was toys, and I really did want that one instead of treats for her because she would play with the cat toys. But anyway, tomorrow I'm going to give her first treat of this. So I was just going to let her stomach rest a little bit longer. And I thought I would show y'all something that I ordered for Dakota for Christmas. Just because some of y'all might like this too. Dakota loves cats. He has loved cats his whole life, ever since he was really, really little. One time when he was about 2, I guess, we were in the grocery store, and he meowed all the time. He would play like he was a cat all the time, and he meowed and meowed and meowed until the little boy in the buggy was in the checkout line. The boy in the buggy in front of us started barking at him. But anyway, he does love cats. And Dakota cross stitches, and so he has lots of little scissors, and he kind of collects scissors. And so I saw these on Etsy, which it's a cat face, and the other side looks the same. So I ordered those for Dakota for Christmas. So I just thought I would show y'all in case any of y'all are cat lovers. And I got these from Daylily Fabric Shop on Etsy. Okay, Daylily Fabric Shop. And that's their Etsy name. I thought those were cute, and I know Dakota will like them. All right. So that's all I have for today. I thank you for joining and watching in. And like I said, I'll link Terry's channel below so you can go check out her channel and see what Terry's up to with her scrap blanket. Thanks for watching. See you again really soon, like tomorrow.